Right, today I'm having a go at butter chicken, which is my favourite Indian meal. I've managed to find a recipe for it and it's quite complicated, i.e. it's got a lot of different ingredients. So in this dish I've got half a teaspoonful each of chilli powder, garam masala and fennel seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoonfuls of cream, single cream, half a teaspoonful of cinnamon, an inch of ginger, a tablespoonful of tomato puree, 50 grams of ground almonds, half a tin of chopped tomatoes, 100 grams of natural yoghurt, 200 mils of milk. Now all these items are going to go into a bowl and be blended. Then I've got a pound of chicken cut into chicken breast, cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 2 ounces of butter and a tablespoonful of oil, 2 bay leaves and a sliced onion. Right. Also a tablespoonful of fresh coriander, finely chopped. That's to go in right at the end. I also forgot to mention a green chilli with the seeds removed. So I've blended all the ingredients except the butter, the milk, the cloves and cardamom pods, the bay leaves, the onion. So now I'm going to mix the chicken in and cover it with cling film and marinate it overnight in the fridge. So it's going to have a good old mix with a wooden spoon. That's the hard work done. Tomorrow the rest of it should be fairly easy. So into the brand new wok, I've got putting the oil and the butter. So I'm tipping in the dry spices. We shall cook these for about a minute. So it's the bay leaf, the 2 cloves and the 2 cardamom pods. Going to cook them for about a minute. And then later I shall take them out. You wouldn't want to be chewing on a clove or a bay leaf. It would spoil your meal. Next I'm adding in the onion, and I'm going to cook this until the onion is soft and translucent. Right, it's time to add in the chicken and the marinade. So I'm going to cook this now for about half an hour until the chicken's cooked, and then we'll top up with the milk. The chicken's cooked now, it's very tender, and you can see around the edges that the oil is rising to the surface. So I'm going to add in the milk. a good old stir and continue to cook for another 10 minutes. If it gets dry, I shall add more milk just to keep the sauce nice and moist. I have to say, it smells out of this world. It really does. So that's the finished dish. Butter chicken. Oh, the smell. Out of this world. Can't wait to tuck in. See you later. Bye.